Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by making a clean local project folder and initializing Git there. Once done, run Git init and add a concise README that explains the dashboard. Make sure to create a Git ignore for node modules and any secrets so you don't push sensitive files. Then stage your files with git add and commit with a clear message. This creates a local snapshot you can push. Keep messages actionable because they help when you track changes later. Next, create a repository on GitHub without initializing with a README to avoid merge conflicts. Once created, copy the SSH or HTTPS remote URL and run git remote add origin followed by the URL. After that, fetch and set the branch name if needed. For example, git branch main. Then push your local commit with git push origin main so GitHub stores the project. This links your local history to the remote. Finally, deploy and verify the dashboard by enabling GitHub pages in repository settings or configuring a CI pipeline that builds and serves your app. Once live, test interactive features and check console errors. Make sure asset paths are relative to the root. If your push fails, check your authentication method, confirm the remote URL with git remote v, and run git pull to resolve conflicts before pushing again. Keep one troubleshooting tip in mind. Merge conflicts usually mean you need
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.